we done our project related to the automobile industry. Our project is reducing defects in this machining process. We have done numerous process, but we have a major thing is happened at induction learning process. Our batch members are S. Madan Kumar and N. Prabhakaran and myself P. Praveen Kumar. My internal guide is P. Karthikeyan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, World Tech. And our external guide our external guide is Mr. L. Krishnan, BE MBA, Senior Engineer, Aztec Auto Limited, Chennai. Our company profile is company name Aztec Auto Limited, established in 1984. Is a group of TVS supplementary powder brake disc. Customers are TFA, Mahindra, John Deere, and Esco. Many companies categories are company limited by shares. Compa- Abstractly supplied by our project manager Prabhakaran.
The production of John Deere disc machining process involves special process of induction honing and tampering. The major defect takes place in entirely during induction honing process. The elimination of the melting after the induction honing process is challenge to avoid the braking problem of the early left of the component because the motion of the brake pedal is applied on the brake disc. The main object is to analyze these defects and to reduce them. John Deere brake designing process flow. Front facing and boring, rear facing, grinding, ball pocket generation and pad milling, induction honing, tempering, deburring, final inspection. In the organization, there are set of steps involved in the manufacturing process of both machining and assembly of tractor brakes. Introduction to induction honing. Induction honing is a non-contact heating process and the principle of it uses the principle of electromagnetic induction produces heat inside the surface layer of the workpiece by placing a magnetic conductive material, a strong alternative magnetic field current produced into flow material, so thereby creating a high square losses in the material. This loss is used to harden the surface of the material. The temperature is maintained between the brake disc to be 220 degrees Celsius. Tolerance limits for the brake shape should be within 0.05 to 0.05 mm. Actually, the coil is all made up of flux iron. It is commonly you know that flux iron is made up of steel furnaces and core. This is an induction honing machine. Let me explain the working of the induction honing. The brake disc to be loaded on the and current to be supplied through the by alternating magnetic field. This current in the induction honing to apply heat on the tail leg of the brake disc and to get the surfaces on. This is done to increases more wear resistance on the tail leg of the brake disc because the brake motion of the brake pedal is applied on the tail leg. But you know what is the tail leg of the brake disc? This is the tail leg of the brake disc. In this part only induction honing is done. It is done to what on the surface of the brake disc. Defects in induction honing. Majorly, we found rejection details is coil strength is low, maintaining of air gap, melting occurs, job position shape, parameter power shape, loading and unloading of job. Cell wise rejection data. Cell crystal. In that many process done. In that crystal of more rejection occurs. Among 464 parts are rejected. Next. This is the existing coil of the coil. Next, problem occurring in the coil. Entire brake disc damage, both brake disc and sent to scraps. Roll of rate of production get lowered. In addition, one more inspection get used. Identify the length between coil and discussion could be for a check for every load components. Coil's length is decreased in horizontal side. Adding a component of the coil makes maintenance distance between them. This is the proposal coil length first actually decreased in horizontal side next. This is a Creo project of our horizontal side degrees design. Drawbacks occurred when horizontal coil is decreased. Even though the horizontal coil is dense, here the melting problem occurs. So one more changes to be done. Next. After what adding what we have to avoid this attraction. This attraction to be restricted by adding a fiber pad. Adding a fiber pad.
Fiber bed details is coil name thermoplastic olefin, coil weight 150 to 250 grams, coil withstand temperature 210 to 270 degrees Celsius. Used extensively in automobile industries. Common fillers, fiberglasses, fibers like talc. Weight calculation is the mass of the fiber bed. Everyone know the calculation. Weight is equal to volume into density. The volume formula is length into breadth and height. Length is equal to 70 mm, breadth is equal to 50 mm. Height is equal to 10 mm. Volume L into B into H. Its volume is 3.5 into 10 to the power of 5 meter cube. Everyone knows the density of the thermoplastic olefin is 1.1 to 7.19 gram per centimeter cube. The 1 gram per centimeter cube is 1000 kilogram per centimeter cube. So the density of a thermoplastic olefin is equal to 7000 kilogram per meter cube. The weight is equal to volume density. The density of the olefin into volume is equal to weight of the pad is 245 grams. Coil after the adding fiber pad. Next, the rejection data from the crystal after the adding fiber pad to the coil. Nearly we have more reduction have been happened. Like February have a front ball front and rear face is only 10. March have a 12. But bore outer surface is 12 and at March at only 8. Grinding under with February is 9 and March is 12. Ball height under size is February is 22 and March is 27. Melting February is 25 and March is 35. We have more we have more idea to give to reduce the problem. Conclusion. Therefore, we analyze that the more defects were occurred in the induction hardening compared to the other process, which were involved in making of harder brake disc, the melting in which occurred during the production process of induction hardening process. This melting is eliminated by adding the fiber pad of the coil, the stack of the fiber pad of the edge of the plate, which plating break brake disc, which leads to maintain 8 mm gap between coil and brake disc. Above, the rejection data shows that after adding rejection were lesser compared to the before adding of the fiber pad. Thank you.
Video